Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Awesome that you're tuning in here on the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video we are going to talk about the retro game, but we're going to focus this video on the MAME. We're going to do some extended testing, so stay tuned, let's play some games and let's see how good the retro game supports the MAME games. Alright, so let's do a little bit of Cadillacs versus Dinosaurs. Oh, I am going to lose this part because I waited too long. Okay, let's see if I can clear this part. Oh, the time's over. Alright, whatever. This game runs very nice on this mini device. All right. Time to go Predator mode. A very nice beat 'em up, by the way. It looks amazing, it plays amazing. Oh yeah. Super Magazine. Oh yeah. So it looks that the game is running just fine without any weird glitches or whatsoever. Wow, the D-pad is so responsive on this thing. I know there are people loving an analog stick, but give me this D-pad. It's going to display so nice. Personal handicap people. Don't know why. Personal handicap. Ooh. How can you do so fast that move? It's a cheesy computer. Alright, so this game Nemo doesn't have any sound. It can be a file issue. Alright, so for the final conclusion, if it comes to MAME games on this RetroGame 300, it works like a charm. The controls of the device are just great and have this cool, really awesome feeling when playing these games on the go. So as you can see, the game runs fine, good music, no weird screen tearing or whatsoever. Again, I would like to point out, you need to have the right files. So if you have not compatible files or there is something wrong with it, you will have some problems. So keep that in mind. So, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell for upcoming Wicked videos. And if you like video games, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.